everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is a Halloween tutorial on this neon skull. I got this idea from James Charles. This is what his looked like. Of course, it's literally perfect. So if you like what you see, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm taking my Morphe 35B palette and I'm just gonna pick up that tan shade and just set my base. These are the three shades I'm using for my eyes. So this color, and then the bright one, and then this is gonna go on the lid. So I'm taking that first color out in my crease. I'm gonna take the darker shade and put it in like the same spots. I actually never do my eyes before my face. Okay, sorry guys, this is a little bit better so now you can see. But okay, so now I'm gonna take that shimmery shade and pack that on my lid. Skulls are really one of like the top like costumes. I feel like I always see people with like skull faces, so I feel like this one's like a really cool one to do. I'd never seen this until James Charles did a tutorial on it. I thought it was cool, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on the brow bone. Has like the light pink tint. I'm gonna put some lashes on and then we're gonna go into the face. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with that blue. I forgot I'm doing pink. So I'm going in with that neon pink. Guys, I almost just did blue because I, for some reason, thought I was doing the blue one. Alright, so he's got it like up here. Alright, so we're gonna go. You can like map out your skull, honestly, like however you want. Okay, so we're gonna go like up a little bit. And then down. I'm not sure how I'm liking this so far. But we're gonna do it. Okay, so you really want to blend these edges. And we're gonna take another. And we're gonna do the opposite of that. So kind of like that. And then we're gonna do another line for the jawline. It's gonna come up. So now we have kind of just like a little map of what it looks like. I know I literally look crazy right now, but we're gonna add some depth and we're gonna put a darker pink in the middle and make sure that these edges are all blended out. Okay, so I'm taking a darker purple and I'm just gonna put it in the middle. Try not to like spread it too much, but like right in the middle. And this is where you're gonna really want to make sure you got your curves that you wanted. We're gonna blend the lighter shade out a little bit more. We're gonna take that first neon shade sorry guys, it's so hard to talk when you're like trying to concentrate. Okay, okay, so that's gonna be like what the nose looks like, and then you just want to blend it out a little bit before we add the darker shade to it. Okay, now we're gonna add the dark shade on top. Alright, so we're gonna start the teeth more out here. So we're just gonna make pretty much 2 circles with like a line with the pink shade. Okay, so now we're gonna give it more of that depth. So we're gonna take that darker shade again and overline it all again. I feel like I want to add more teeth. Alright, we're gonna add one more over here. Just to make it look even though it's not. Okay, so I'm taking NYX white eyeliner. And also, I practiced this before, and don't use white paint. Like, don't use like white face paint because it won't give you a nice like sharp line. When I did it, it just looked really messy, so get a white eyeliner. So where we took all the dark spots, we're gonna put white eyeliner right over that. Hopefully this comes out good. This is the part that makes it neon. It's literally so cool. I've never ever thought of this. Whew, I'm like holding my breath doing this. Okay. So now we're gonna go back in with the bright pink shade and kind of just go around a little bit more to make it more neon. In this, he has black. I'm like really scared to put black in here right now, but alright, so I'm gonna go in with black. I'm gonna try to like shade it into the pink so it doesn't look like a harsh line. Alright guys, sorry my camera keeps dying, but so we're gonna go on to the teeth. Alright, I should have made these way more closer. You know what would suck is if I had a fire gel right now. This is like way harder than I thought. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go over this with pink and then I'm gonna go over the white again and probably add more teeth because there's not a lot of teeth. Oh my god, guys. Alright, so we're gonna put black inside. See, it's weird because I'll add the black, but then it looks like it's not neon anymore because there's not enough like pink around the outside, I think. Oh guys, I totally forgot to add black on the nose. I'm just adding pink to make it more neon. For the highlight, I'm gonna be using Wet n Wild. Just gonna put it right above. Normally where you kind of put it, but not exactly, a little bit higher. Now I'm gonna put some under here. We're gonna put some in the inner corner. This is the finished product. Okay, so a couple things. Just make sure you go really slow. Make sure you really map out the pink. It's actually way harder than it looks. I'm sorry, I'm like speaking kind of low because I'm in my dorm right now and there's a lot of people roaming through the halls and stuff. Yeah, so I'll be coming out with a Halloween weekend video also, which is gonna be this coming up weekend. So I noticed like a lot of you guys have been watching that from last year. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you tried this. You can follow me on Instagram, Melinafedele7, and send me pictures if you did this. Thanks for watching.